Welcome back to Code with Me. In this lesson, we'll dive into DOM manipulation in JavaScript. The Document Object Model, DOM, is the interface that allows us to interact with and modify the content, structure, and styles of a web page using JavaScript. By the end of this video, you'll know how to select elements from the DOM, modify their content and styles, create and remove elements dynamically, traverse through the DOM structure. So let's get started. Selecting elements. Before we can manipulate elements, we need to select them. JavaScript provides several methods for this. Using getElementById. If an element has an ID, we can select it using getElementById. Const heading document.getElementById main heading, console.log heading, logs the element with ID main heading. Using querySelector. The querySelector method allows us to select the first matching element using CSS selectors. Const paragraph equals document.querySelector text selects the first element with class text console.log paragraph. If we need multiple elements, we can use querySelector all, which returns a node list. Const all paragraphs is document querySelector all text console.log all paragraphs. Logs all elements with class text. Modifying elements. Once we've selected an element, we can modify its content and styles. Changing content, inner HTML and text content. We can change an element's content using inner HTML or text content. Const heading document.getElementById main heading. Heading.innerHTML, welcome to JavaScript, changes the HTML content. Text content is similar but doesn't parse HTML. Heading.text content equals strong hello strong. Displays strong hello as plain text. Changing styles. We can modify an element's style using style. Heading.style.color equals blue. Heading.style.font size equals 24px. Heading.style.background color, light gray. Creating and removing elements. We can dynamically create and remove elements using JavaScript. Creating an element. To create an element, we use document.createElement, then set its properties and add it to the DOM. Const new paragraph equals document.createElement p. New paragraph.text content equals this is a new paragraph. Document body append child new paragraph. Removing an element. To remove an element, we select it and use remove. New paragraph.remove. Removes the paragraph from the DOM. Alternatively, we can use remove child on its parent. Document.body.remove child new paragraph. Traversing the DOM. The DOM is structured as a tree, and we can navigate through it using different properties. Accessing parent elements. To get the parent of an element, use parent node or parent element. Const child element, document.querySelector.child, console.log child element.parent node, logs the parent element. Accessing child elements. To access an element's children, use child nodes, which includes text nodes, or children, which excludes text nodes. Const parent element equals document.querySelector parent. Console.log parent element.children, logs all child elements. Accessing siblings. To get an element's next or previous sibling, use next element sibling or previous element sibling. Const first child equals document.querySelectChild. Console log first child.next element sibling. Logs the next sibling. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more JavaScript lessons. See you in the next one.